special announcement to make. But before I do, have you guys subscribed to my channel? Subscribe now! Click the button. Get the bell icon. Don't. Okay, everybody. I've got a little special something happening. And I'm on my way in the snowiest day. Normally I don't want to go out on days like this. But I have to because I'm doing a photo shoot for Women's World magazine. So I'm gonna try and get to this location safely so that I can meet the photographer. It's the only day this week that she had a chance to do this photo shoot. And it's considered a spring issue. It's going to be March 21st that it's coming out. It's considered a spring issue of Women's World magazine. So they wanted an outdoor picture, and I'm like, you know, it's Minnesota in February, right? So today is February 12th, and I'm taking this picture. So it's not like I can, they wanted it outside. There's no spring here. There's nothing that looks like spring here. So we're gonna do it inside, and we're gonna try and find some props that are springy. I'm gonna find some glassware, hopefully, so it kind of reflects what I do, but they're profiling my business in Women's World magazine, and I just wanted to give you guys a little treat. You have like the first announcement. So I really appreciate all my subscribers being with me, and you guys are the first ones to know that I will be in Women's World magazine March 21st through the 28th. So pick up that copy on your newsstands. I think it's like $2, so pick it up. See me in there. Say hi. But I always appreciate you guys, so I wanted to just let you guys be the first ones to know. So happy Junkin, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.